Hello dear students, hope you all are doing well and enjoying your online classes also. So welcome to your online class and this is your general knowledge subject. Today in this video, I'll cover your two lessons. Lesson number 5, Sports Legends, and lesson number 6, Unique Nature. So let's start without wasting any time. So here is lesson number 5, Sports Legends. Just read the question. Match these sports legends with their sports by writing the correct letters in the boxes. Here help box is not given, not needed actually. So here some sports person names are given and the sports are also given. So you have to identify that which sport they used to play. Okay, first one is PV Sindhu. So she is an Indian professional badminton player. She made her international debut in 2009. She rose to a career high ranking of number 2 in April 2017. So PV Sindhu is associated with which sport? With badminton. Okay. Next is Abhinav Bindra. He is a businessman and retired athlete in sport shooting, who is currently India's only individual Olympic gold medalist. So Abhinav Bindra is associated with shooting. Next is Baichung Bhutia. He is a former Indian professional footballer who played as a striker. So Baichung Bhutia is associated with football. Next, Mary Kom. She is an Indian Olympic boxer and the only female to make 6 times winning record of World Amateur Boxing Championship and the only female boxer to win a medal in each of the total 7 World Championships. Okay, so Mary Kom is associated with boxing. Next is Geet Sethi. He is a professional player of English billiards who dominated the sport throughout much of the 1990s and a notable amateur snooker player. So Geet Sethi is associated with billiards. Next is Kapil Dev. He is a former Indian cricketer and a fast bowler and a hard-hitting middle order batsman. He is also regarded as one of the greatest captains in the history of cricket. So Kapil Dev is associated with cricket. Next, PT Usha. She is a retired Indian track and field athlete. She is often called the Queen of Indian track and field. So PT Usha is associated with athletics. Next, Sania Mirza. She is an Indian professional tennis player, a former world number 1. She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career from 2003 until her retirement from singles in 2013. She was ranked by the Women's Tennis Association as India's number 1 player. So Sania Mirza is associated with tennis. Next, Vishwanathan Anand. He is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. Last one is Dhyan Chand. He was an Indian hockey player and was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats, in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during an era where India dominated the field of hockey. So Dhyan Chand is associated with which sport? With hockey. Now here one more information is given in fact file, so read it out. Norman Richard was the first athlete to represent India in the Olympic Games. He won 2 silver medals in the 200 meter sprint and 200 meter hurdle at the 1900 Paris Olympic Games. So now here we have done lesson number 5, Sports Legends. Now come towards your lesson number 6, Unique Nature. Read the question, answer the following questions. First one is, name the only planet in our solar system which is not named after a Greek or Roman deity. Answer is Earth. Second, what is the most abundant metal on Earth? And the answer is aluminium with 8.1%. Next, question number 3 is, in a geothermal energy plant, what does steam generate? And the answer is electricity. The steam rotates a turbine that activates a generator which produces electricity. Now question number 4. Which bird is nicknamed sea parrot? And the answer is puffin. It is the only puffin native to the Atlantic Ocean. Question number 5. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Very simple, the answer is Venus. Question number 6. Which is the only fruit with seeds on the outside? And the answer is strawberry. Question number 7. In which ocean did a deadly tsunami occur in 2004? And the answer is Indian Ocean. Question number 8. In which country is the Uluru Katta-Zuta National Park located? And the answer is Australia. Question number 9. Which country is called the sugar ball of the world? And the answer is Cuba. It was used to have largest sugar industry which is now in decay, and its position is now taken up by Brazil followed by India. Now question number 10. Which bird lays the smallest egg? And the answer is hummingbird. Question number 11. Which is the largest island in the world? And the answer is Greenland. Question number 12. Which is the world's longest glacier? And the answer is Lambert Glacier. It is in Antarctica and it is 400 km long and up to 100 km wide. Question number 13. In which continent would you find Lake Titicaca, the world's highest navigable lake? And the answer is South America, lying at 12,500 feet above sea level and in Andes Mountains of South America. Okay. Now question number 14. Which plant did ancient Egyptian use to make paper? And the answer is papyrus. It is a material similar to thick paper that was used in ancient times as a writing surface. Question number 15. Which is the shallowest ocean? And the answer is Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. Question number 16. Which is the fastest growing plant? And the answer is bamboo. Question number 17. Which was the first metal used by humans? And the answer is copper. Question number 18. Which gas is also known as marsh gas? And the answer is methane. Question number 19. What is the common name for sodium chloride? And the answer is common salt. Common salt is the common name for sodium chloride. Question number 20. Which bird has the longest wingspan? And the answer is albatross. They range widely in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific. Now the last question, 21. Question number 21. Which animal has fingerprints similar to a human being? And the answer is koala. Now one more information is given in fact file. So read it out. 70% of the plants identified by scientists can be used for the treatment of cancer are only found in the rainforest. So here we have done lesson number 6 also, unique nature. Now I'll meet you in the next video with new lesson. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy, and please stay at home. Thank you.